my name is Evie Taylor and I'm a 20-year-old drummer from South East England. I'm self-taught and I've been playing for around 9 years now, and I'm currently working as a session drummer in and around the London area. My musical identity focuses in genres like rock, commercial pop and alternative music. At the moment I'm working for a number of artists doing both recording and live performances. I'm working more closely with artists Bex and Nihilist currently, as well as doing various little projects on the side with rappers, singer-songwriters and solo acts. I play the Collision Drumsticks and I love how versatile and comfortable they are. Because of my job and doing a range of genres, I needed something that was a good all-round stick, and the Collision 5B is definitely perfect for that. Not only that, but they're also very durable, they don't break easily, and they don't even chip easily, which obviously is good for any stick. I love Collision purely for their passion of delivering not only the best for their customers, but also the best for their artists. I really respect that they put their artists in the spotlight and give them a chance to be seen or heard by industry professionals or even other drummers. I think that's really important. Not only that, but I've made some friends through the Collision family and they've shared their experiences with Collision themselves, and it's all just been a really positive experience. The actual first-hand experience I've had with Collision so far has been great. They're quick to respond to messages and any inquiries or even any nitpicks you have, they're right there to answer it, and I really respect that. I am really excited to be joining the Collision family, and up next is a video of me playing with Nihilist, doing a cover of Arctic Monkeys' Dancing Shoes. So thank you for having me, and peace.